Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna sketch an electric trimmer. So we're gonna start by sketching ellipses and then another ellipse on the top, joining these two together with some curves and then adding a head on the top. We're gonna sketch now the front of the trimmer, adding some straight lines and then joining them together to make the sharp edgy front. I'm gonna add the bottom of the trimmer, adding another ellipse and joining them together. Gonna add some lines on the side and then another dial on the side showing how much we can rotate the trimmer. A little bit text on the side also and some lines. Then I'm gonna make the handle where the user will hold the trimmer a little bit large in size, so almost it fits in every hand of the user. Some place for LED lights and then fixing some lights there, some lines there. I will draw some arrows also. This is gonna help me to show to the user or the person to show how the trimmer rotates. This is a really good technique. It helps someone who's looking at your sketches can understand clearly what the product is capable of. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lines there, trying to finish and adding some more details there. Okay, adding some more 3D effect on the arrows. I think it's really nice to add and highlight those lines so you can see the product form more clearly. Like I'm just added some shadows there and then some more details there too. Showing the area if you want to clear the form for the eyes so you can see how the form look like. Okay, I'm gonna now sketch the top of the trimmer, actually the top view of the trimmer to show how it looks from the top. A little bit circles there and then the front and the trimmer area where the blade is, and then I'm gonna draw the back of the trimmer, or actually the handle where the user will hold that trimmer, a central line, and then the LED place, and then the dial where you can see how much you have rotated the trimmer. This is really good. Actually, you can rotate the trimmer in any direction you want, or any angle you want, I will say. And then fixing those lines. I'm just sketching quickly, so those lines are sometimes a little bit not straight, so I'm trying to highlight them again and fix them again, and some arrows again here, showing again how the function, how the trimmer rotates in different angle. So I'm fixing again some lines here, some circle lines, and trying to show to the eyes more clearly how the product look like. Sometimes the sketch gets so messy, so you have to sketch those lines more clearly. Now I'm adding some shadows here to show this part glows and show how much the battery of the product is charged. I'm gonna add some back lines here too. I do that mostly in my sketches. I think it's really cool to separate the back from the front, so the user can focus more on the front sketches. Someone who's trying to look at your sketches can understand more clearly what's going on. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is try to fix these edges now. So this will help to focus more on the front here, adding a little bit more detail and more shadows on the trimmer. I think it's really good to fix those corners so your eyes can detect those details that lies on the product. Okay, fixing the bottom there and the shadow again there on the. Okay, thank you very much.